More money, less fish, prices up. What do bears do? That's inflation. Fish prices rise. Bear coin value drops. Bears feel poorer. Life gets harder. So what do bears do? Don't panic. There's a way. Inflation arrives. Bear coins lose value. Fish prices soar. Soar fast. To buy one fish. More bear coins needed. Bear king prints more coins. More coins. Same fish. Oh, bear coins weaken. Value shrinks. That is inflation. An invisible monster. Stealing money's value. Bears feel it clearly. Fish pricier. Honey cakes double price. Money in pocket. Buys less. Bears feel unfair. Feel tired. But bears don't give up. Bears have a plan. Smart bears. Take action. Save smarter. Don't just keep coins in jars. Jar coins lose value. Like stale fish. Deposit coins in the bear bank. A safe place. Bear bank pays interest. Small. But better than nothing. Your coins grow, don't shrink. Or buy bear investment funds. Money makes more money. Don't let inflation eat all your coins. Spend wisely. Don't rush to buy honey or fancy fish. Plan your spending. Like a fish hunt schedule. Make a needed list. Only buy needed fish. Cut out bubble tea fish or new fur hats. Focus on needs, not wants. Money is limited. Spend smart. Earn more coins, prices up, then earn more. Smart bears learn skills. Learn bear coding. Make fish catching robots. Start a side hustle. Deliver honey at night. Income up. Inflation less scary. More coins, less worry. Grow bigger coins. Wise bears know how to invest. Don't put all coins in one basket, like fish eggs. Spread them out. Buy bear stocks. A piece of big companies. Buy bear bonds. Lending with interest. Or invest in a bear fish farm. Produce more fish. Some investments grow faster than inflation. Your coins don't just exist, they grow. Avoid bad debt, inflation and debt. A disaster. If borrowing, borrow little, low interest. Pay debt on time, like a fishing appointment. Debt is a burden, especially when prices rise. Buy assets, not junk. Buy things that hold value or increase in value. A fish freezer keeps fish long, holds value. Better than a gold-plated pillow. Pretty but useless. Assets, future power. Junk, just regret. Stay calm, stay informed. Smart bears read news. Understand what's happening. Talk to other bears. Wise old bears. Panic leads to bad decisions. Knowledge brings calm, like a peaceful river. Inflation is tough. Bears must face it. But bears have a plan. Save, spend, earn more, invest, avoid debt, buy assets, stay calm, be strong, be furry, be fish rich.